When's the market's going to recover? When's crypto going back up? When's the stock market going up? Jim Cramer of Mad Money, CNBC, says that you shouldn't invest on false hope. In other words, if things don't change, you shouldn't actually be looking at investing. Right now, we're seeing in the world three different issues. We're seeing inflation, therefore rising interest rates. We're seeing a supply chain issue, and of course, the war in Ukraine with Russia. While those things are there, Jim Cramer says it's actually better not to have false hope. He says you're investing on sand if you're investing right now. Well, if we look at the markets, whether it's the crypto market or indeed if it's the stock market, we've seen a fall, a crash. A crash is over 20%, and we've seen the S&P down around the 20% mark. In fact, if you look historically, there's cycles, and it seems that we're actually in a bear market. If we take a bear market, what does it mean? Well, it means a 20% fall. What does that mean historically? Well, historically, that you'll see that in most bear markets last between 9 months to 15 months. So if we say that the peak of the market was in November, December, then you'd say that the market is going to recover, or the end of the bear market would be around September. But then on the other hand, if you actually look at the stock market, we've had 6 negative weeks, and the average return in the next 12 months after 6 negative weeks is 21%. Okay, what we're saying right now is that at some point there's going to be a recovery. And the reality is you can't sit on the sidelines, because if you sit on the sidelines, suddenly the market recovers and you're actually going to miss it. So the way to invest, whether it's cryptocurrencies or whether it's the stock market, is one, to take advice, talk to an advisor so that you know that you're getting good advice, or at least a second opinion, but actually buy quality stock that you're going to pick up and you're going to be able to invest and get good returns. And if we're talking about cryptocurrency, again, we talk about investing in quality projects. In other words, you don't know where the bottom is. Okay, you don't. Nobody does. So you're investing and you're putting your money in places that you think over a long term are going to be making you money. Okay, always remember that if you're investing into the market, you can't be thinking short term. You can't be trying to pick the very bottom. Okay, nobody knows where it is, and suddenly things change. And when they change, the markets can do 5, 10, 15% even in a very, very short period of time. Okay, that's why it's better to invest on a regular basis. And if you look at people like Warren Buffett, most successful investor in the world, he buys quality and he holds quality. So what do I invest right now? Yes, I'm investing right now. I might be looking at putting the money into the market on a gradual basis. Okay, sometimes I do that. In other words, I'll drip feed it in, doesn't go in all in one day. Okay, and that perhaps is a better way, and often clients want to do that. We often advise on it to make sure that they're not picking the wrong day, but they're actually putting their money in, drip feeding it in to the market. Okay, so for me, actually, it's a buy. I'm not necessarily drip feeding, by the way. Okay, I'm actually happy to invest, but quality investments that I will choose, whether that's crypto or whether it's stocks and shares. I would know the market will return at some stage. I just know. Nobody can time the market. No one ever has. Okay, don't think they are. Occasionally somebody picks the top or the bottom, but they also get it wrong lots of times. Okay, you can't. You've got to look at, is there quality? What's the situation going to be in 3-4 years' time? Is that going to be up? Is that a quality company? Is that a quality crypto project? If it is, okay, then I suggest it's better to be in the market than out of the market. Okay, please share, please like the video. Okay, I'll put out information so that you get to understand what's going on in the stock market and what it takes to be successful in life.